वेलकम गाइस, स्वागत छ तपाईहरुलाई एउटा यस्तो युट्युब च्यानल जो आफै एउटा स्टुडेन्ट छ र त्यो पनि पढ्दैछ र पढाउँदैछ। सबभन्दा पहिले म एउटा कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु कि आई लभ टिचिङ। आई लभ टु टिच। यस्तो जिस्काउने खाली हैन, आई लभ टु टिच। आई लभ टु टिच गाइज। त्यसै लागि म आफ्नो युट्युब च्यानल छ मेरो, जहाँ तपाईहरु सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ। ल है गाइज, ल यो सेसनमा तपाईहरु के गर्नु होला, वन कपी सेपरेट राख्नु होला, वन कपी सेपरेट राख्नु होला र एउटा पेन, त्यो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेन्ट। र त्यहाँ म इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसनहरु भन्छु। यस्तो हैन कि जस्तै कि मैले अघि तपाईहरुलाई भने कि म आफै एउटा स्टुडेन्ट छु र मलाई थाहा छ कि कस्तो टपिकबाट कुन क्वेसनहरु आउँछ। अब तपाई सोच्नुहुन्छ यो कुरा त सरहरु पनि भनिदिनुहुन्छ। सरहरु चाहिँ तपाईहरुले किन भन्नु हुँदैन? अगर सरहरुले तपाईहरुले डाइरेक्टली क्वेसन भनिदियो भने कि यस्तो क्वेसनहरु 1 मार्क्सको आउँछ, 2 मार्क्सको आउँछ, यस्तो क्वेसनहरु भनिदियो भने तपाईहरु के गर्नुहुन्छ, त्यही क्वेसन दैट गिभन क्वेसन नै पढ्नुहुन्छ। तर नाउ अब तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ कि सब स्टुडेन्ट्सहरु यहाँ हाम्रो देशीहरु छ, त्यही लागि म चाहिँ सेपरेट टपिक, यस टपिकमा इम्पोर्टेन्ट क्वेसनहरु निकाल्दिन्छु। त्यसरी गाइज तपाईहरु पनि मलाई सपोर्ट देखाउनु होला। सपोर्ट गाइज, सपोर्ट। र म एउटा कुराहरु पनि भन्न चाहन्छु कि यो भिडियोमा अलिकता स्ल्याङ्ग्सहरु युज भएको छ, तर त्यतिहरु यो चाहिँ हाम्रो नेचर हो, हामी के पनि गर्न सक्दैनौँ। एउटा इम्पोर्टेन्ट गाइज, साइडमा यो आइकन आगो हुन्छ ल है, यो आइकनलाई चाहिँ त्यति इग्नोर गरिदिनु होला प्लिज गाइज। यो थाहा छ कि म आफ्नो फोनमा रेकर्डिङ गर्दैछु। ल्यापटप इज ड्यामेज, ल्यापटप छ ड्यामेज। के गर्नु, टिचिङ इज माई प्यासन। अनि के गर्नु, त्यही लागि फोन मा चाहिँ रेकर्डिङ गर्दैछु र माथि तपाईहरु एउटा आइकन बनेर आउँछ, मेड भिडियो विथ काइन्ड मास्टर आउँछ है गाइस। यसले त देखाइरा छैन, तर आउँछ मेड भिडियो विथ काइन्ड मास्टर। के यस्तो आउँछ, प्लिज इग्नोर। र तपाईहरुलाई भन्न चाहन्छु कि आई एम पबजी प्लेयर। सुन्नमा अड लाग्छ होला, तर यो चाहिँ ठीक हो, आई एम पबजी प्लेयर। ल होप गाइज, ल अब हाम्रो फर्स्ट टपिक छ इंट्रोडक्शन। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। Introduction to biodiversity. Biodiversity is defined as variation of living forms on the earth, which includes plants, animals, microorganisms, contain genes and forms the complex ecosystem. हो, biodiversity के हो, एउटा living form on the earth which includes plants, animal, microorganisms. ल है guys, ओके छ। Total number of biodiversity is 13 million. And identify कति भएको छ, 1.75 million. This data is important, hey guys, important. Mark my point. This data is important. ल Apart from this, biodiversity has three biological levels. कतिवटा biological levels are three. Note down गरिहाल है. First number, specific biodiversity. Specific biodiversity के भन्छ? Specific diversity is the component of the biodiversity which is a group of plants or animals that are similar and able to breed and produce various offspring under the natural condition. Like guys, पढ़िए ना.
सो वो हमको पढ़िए 3000 का पढ़ाई करै छै.
Genetic diversity. Point number 2, genetic diversity. Genetic diversity is the level of biodiversity that refers to the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetics makeup of the species and recent in all the individuals that comprise of particular species. इनको दुईटा ऑब्जेक्ट मिलेर जुन बन्छ त्यसलाई भन्छ जेनेटिक डाइभर्सिटी हो. अब इकोसिस्टम डाइभर्सिटी, थर्ड पॉइंट, ecosystem diversity. The ecosystem diversity is variation of habitat, community, types of abiotic component. Abiotic component means air, water, abiotic component. Measures the diversity of following species. अब ल ये तीनटा भयो इकोसिस्टम डाइभर्सिटी, इकोसिस्टम डाइभर्सिटी, जीन डाइभर्सिटी र अझै के थियो जेनेटिक डाइभर्सिटी. थ्री डाइभर्सिटी you should remember. Now, benefit of biodiversity. By protecting biodiversity, we are able to find a new source of food and milk. A sign of proportion of drugs is that directly or indirectly from biological sources. Biological source directly or indirectly drugs related. Boys must be interested. Move on. A wide range of industrial material like dyes, fiber, resins, etc. are derived directly from biological sources. The natural beauty provided by biodiversity inspired composers, artists and poets. I don't know why this point is mentioned here, so leave it. Love. Ecosystem and ecological process play an important role in the breakdown and the absorption of pollutants. Biological diversity play an information and maintains the. This point is important, hey guys. Important छ. हमारे पाला पनि थियो यो. Biodiversity helps in the formation and maintenance of soil texture and the prevention of moisture and nutrition. Natural pesticides using biodiversity are in many ways superior to the artificial chemical pesticides. Important. Biodiversity also has a great importance as a direct source of income. Direct source of income. How income? Like tourist scope of biodiversity. पहिला point, tourism. The total number of species which are found on the earth surface is called biodiversity. Here we go the definition. Write down definition please. Each species are different from each other, so the tourist is attracted towards them. The tourist attracted towards them, willing to down as this is all newspaper reading. Okay, here newspaper reading. Newspaper reading. These all are scientific research and investigation. Biodiversity has also important for scientific research and investigation. With the help of biodiversity, the scientists can find out the research and the scientific things. Yes, now medicine. Important. BBI. Every biodiversity is important in itself. From plants, we get discover various medicines used for our various diseases. Medicine which are newly discovered are first observed on the animals. We know that animals. So we can say medicine is also the scope of biodiversity. The biggest example is Baba Ramdev. How he produced the medicine? By the herbs, means plants. Now इसको रोस्ट चाहिए ना. Agriculture production. The food product which can eat directly is obtained from the environment. With variation in the products, we get varieties of food. Balance of ecosystem. Biodiversity helps to maintain the ecological balance necessary for the survival for not only plants, animals, but humans on the earth also become the dependent upon each other directly or indirectly. Important point, hi guys. Floral diversity. Taxonomy, ayo guys, Bahubali. Bahubali came just now. Taxonomy arrangement. First, हम here also. Euchirus, Ursidae, Carnivoria, Mammalia, Coleotrata, Animalia. You should remember this sequence. हामीले पनि sequence याद गरेको थियो. Over हानी. Now rules. Rules, hi guys. Taxonomy is the branch of biology which deals with identification, nomenclature, classification, PF organisms. It is also called systematic. Systematic as deals with the study. This is important. Systematic deals with the study of living organisms and existing relationship among themselves. It includes identification, nomenclature, and biosystematic. Classification. It is now next point. It is the arrangement of organisms in definite group showing their relationship. Now how taxonomy are classified. It is the finding of correct position of unknown organisms being similar or identical to ready for organisms. Now nomenclature. It is determined as a scientific name or correct name to all organisms so that they can easily be distinguished. Biosystematic. Biosystematic deals with the diversity of organisms by comparing groups of organisms at very rank of classification right from species of the kingdom. Biosystematic को क्वेश्चन आउँछ है गाइज. Biosystematic को आउँछ क्वेश्चन. Mark my point. Fix. History of taxonomy. The great Greek philosophers and the biologists of 14th century BC. Aristotle created group and species. He has classified as herbs. Classified as herbs, shrubs, and trees. Chakra, the father of Ayurveda. This name should be clear. Aristotle and Chakra. You should remember this point. Classified plants and animals on the basis of medical importance in the 1st century. Tripakars is known as the father of botany. He distinguished the plant on the basis of lifespan into 3 groups: animal, Biennial, perennial. Plant of the third, let me clear, annual बने के हो, which live for 1 year. 1 year, life answer annual. Biennial means guys, biennial means which live for one season. Next is perennial, which live for more than 2 season. Then 2 season. Within 2 seasons. You can take the example also. The John R.Y., a British nationalist of the late 17th century, introduced natural system of classification based on morphological similar. Morphological means which look same. The greatest Swedish naturalist of 18th century, Carlos Linnaeus, is known as the father of taxonomy. Remember my point. Carlos Linnaeus. एक मार्क्स को क्वेश्चन. Carlos Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. He introduced the current system of naming of organisms with the two names. The first name is the genus name and the second is scientific name. This is similar of naming animals in two words is binomial system of nomenclature. Binomials, question आ गए थे हो. I still remember. What do you mean by binomial system? Binomial system of nomenclature. This question has came in my session. So you know the answer, right? Need of taxonomy. Why do we study taxonomy? Why? We will know the answer down. The study of organisms and researches is earlier due to taxonomy. Taxonomy helps us to show natural relationship among organisms. Taxonomy can also show the phylogenetic relationship of organisms. Important, sorry guys, important. System of classification. There are 3 types of classification of taxonomy. Confused now, no guys? Useless. Artificial system of classification. In artificial system, where fairly superficial characters are considered to the group organism. Example, classification of Carlos Linnaeus. What is Carlos Linnaeus? Father of taxonomy. A disadvantage. In this classification, dissimilar organisms are kept in the same group and similar are kept in the same group, similar are kept in a different group. The classification system cannot show the relationship of organisms. मैले ये point भरना बिर्सी है. Phylogenetic relationship organisms. ये show गर्दैन. Do not show. This point you should remember. Do not. Do not. Do not. Do not. Our second point, natural classification. The system of classification in which several taxonomic characters are considered to classify the organisms in the natural system of classification. Taxonomic characters considered in natural system are like important guys, important. Morphology, anatomy, physiology, cardiology, genetic, chematography, sorry, my mistake. Advantage क्या हो? In this classification, dissimilar organisms are kept in different group and similar are kept in same group. Important. The classification system shows the natural relationship among organisms. This classification system cannot reflect the phylogenetic relationship of organisms. It cannot show. Sorry. It show the relationship of relationship. Example इसका ट्रिक थे मैले रिमेम्बर गरेको थिएँ के हो BH classification. BH classification. Hi guys. Third point. यसको चाहिँ एडभान्टेजहरू डिसएडभान्टेज आर इम्पोर्टेन्ट all A double L all. Now we will read. In this classification system, dissimilar organisms are kept in the same group and similar organisms are kept in same group. This classification shows the natural relationship among organisms. This classification can reflect the phylogenetic relationship of organisms. Now move to the nomenclature. Nomenclature आयो guys. Nomenclature is determined of scientific name or correct name to all the organisms so that they are easily distinguished. Mainly there are two type of nomenclature. Nomenclature आयो. Common naming system र scientific. इसको चाहिँ हामीले के क्वेशन आएको थियो short note question. I'll tell you the secret, baby. Common naming system. Common naming are not based upon the characters and the classification. They do not give information about the relationship between genes and family. The common names create three defects. Defects are आयो guys. They are quite indefinite. They are restricted to the people from one language, part of other language. Their irregularity constitute the authority. भनेको थियो कि बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर आयो कि बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर yeah, I will tell you the main important things guys from the two classes is this is the important International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. I will tell you the fact. 1 marks question. I made mistake. About these 2 points. ICBN full form and ICZN full form. You should remember. Rules तो खास एग्जाम में आउँदैन पनि पढ्नु पर्छ. For every organism there are 2 words given in which the first word is generic name and the second word is the scientific name of scientific epithet. The scientific name is always followed by the generic name, the initial name of the capital letter. This is you should remember throughout the life. Remember guys. Scientific name is handwritten from which the underline italic name of the scientific which are derived from the name can be abbreviated at the end. The scientific if 2 scientists are this is important, this is we should remember. If 2 scientists is working at the given scientific name for the same organisms, the valid scientific name must be given to that the earlier publisher. जो पहली आयो फर्स्ट त्यसको नाम आयो. If some species or variety, the 3 words are given in which last word, example Bacillus aeruginosa capitulata, this should be important. Biology is this only. Example advantage of binomial nomenclature. This scientific names of organisms is universal, is recognized throughout the world. The The nomenclature shows the evolutionary relationship among various species under the same genes. The scientific name make the communication easier. This is important. यसको पनि आउँछ है 2 marks. Remember the scientific name. Advantage of binomial nomenclature. Fix. Communication easier in different parts of the world. It helps in the recognition of identification of newly discovered organisms. It identifies of the relationship among different varieties and the species. These 3 points are important. Now, category of relationship we will read tomorrow. Hello guys, if you are really liking this session, as you also know, I am also a student. And I am really agree with you guys. This is lockdown is now continuing guys. So मैले एउटा एप्लिकेसन थाहा पाएको छु जुनमा सब पीडीएफहरु छ र त्यसैबाट म भिडियो बनाउँदैछु. If you really want to make the notes, then please like my session. Please guys, support me. Like, share and comment. Comment is most important. If you do not like my sound, then if there is some sound issue, then please tell me. I will recover it. I will try to recover it. And part 2 will come very soon. Look guys, thank you guys, and please don't forget to like. Like is not that important, but subscribe is most important. Thank you guys.